There you have it.
Awesome, thank you, see you later.
No, hold on, get back over here. You ain't taking that for yourself.
Hi everyone, Liv here.
And me, Taraj.
Taraj, I'm in the party planning mood, and there is no better time than now to plan an engagement party.
Wait, hold up, Liv. Are you engaged?
Does it look like I'm engaged? Yeah, right. Wishful thinking. Nah, I'm just looking for an excuse to throw a good party with some of my favorite essentials from the Wedding Wire shop. The theme we are going for is black and gold.
Okay, I see where you're going. That's chic. Come through with the gender neutral color palette.
So we like this theme.
I'm here for it.
All right, Taraj, look what we have here. Paper plates that have a gold metallic marble look to it.
Yeah, I love the gold leaf aesthetic.
And the best part is they are paper, which I feel like you can't even tell that they're paper.
Yeah, they don't look like paper at all. It's so festive, goes with any occasion.
And you don't have to worry about clumsy guests breaking things. So this is a great addition to your party.
So we have these super cute diamond party napkins here. I love these metallic accents. They're super versatile. You can use them for dinner parties, cocktail hour.
I love these napkins. Like you said, the gold accents will go with our plate, as well as some more items that we have to show throughout this video. So Taraj, will you do the honor and place them on our table setting?
Hey, no problem, sitting right here.
Look at what we got. We have these Cheers stemless wine glasses. How do we feel about these?
They're so cute. I love the little metallic accents.
Well, best part is these are actually customizable over at the Wedding Wire shop. So you can put whatever your heart desires, which makes it a great favor for your guests or for your bridesmaids, groomsmen, whoever, or just you and I. I mean, I'm taking this home with me.
All right, so we have some gold heart paper straws here. You can save the turtles and our oceans. They're super cute. You see like these little shiny details. I love it. Sip a cocktail with it, sip your favorite beverage.
And I think they would look really nice in our Cheers stemless glass to give our table a little bit more pizzazz.
It's all about the details.
Love it. So next we have the black and gold heart-shaped place card holders. You can put your table number right inside, place it on your table, and all your guests know exactly where to sit.
It's also a cute place to put some pictures, you know, some awesome memories with your friends, some lovely quotes. It's also a great way to enhance the mood, add a little detail to the table setting. So now we have the geometric tea light candle holder. It's a super versatile item for any occasion. You could throw in a tea light, little fairy lights. You could wrap it around with little wire lights and everything, throw in some greenery, and it's super cute with the succulent.
Did you say succulent?
Yes, I did.
I have something up my sleeve.
Oh my God.
To add a more personalized touch to our table, let's take these mini gold picture frames. You can put a table number, a photo of the couple, a quote, pretty much anything.
So we have this super cute batch of tissue paper confetti. It matches our metallic theme with colors of black, silver, white, and gold. And if you can help me with this, Liv, give you a couple. Now that the night is winding down, it's time to send your guests home. And what a better way to do that than with a cute little wine favor tag. You could put a personalized message here, and it has a convenient bottleneck you could just pop on top. And the only thing that I'm missing is a bottle of bubbly.
Good thing I wore my puffy sleeves, because look what I have under it.
Yes, let's get it. So you just take this and pop it up on top, and there you have it.
Awesome, thank you, see you later.
No, hold on, get back over here. You ain't taking that for yourself.
Okay.
Share the wealth.
I'll share. I mean, we did a lot today. Look at all the hard work we put into this table. I think we inspired all our friends to throw a black and gold themed engagement party.
Yes, and if you feel super inspired, be sure to leave a comment below.
And do not forget to subscribe to the Wedding Wire channel, because I feel like Taraj and I will be back for more party planning videos.
Yes, let's do it.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.